They say nothing in life is free. Except for this graphic design service I'm about to give you. I'm gonna tell y'all why y'all should do free work. Check it out. How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? What's the word? What's good? How are you? I'm doing good, man. I am V. I'm your host for today, and today we're gonna talk about why you should be doing free work. Nah, I know, don't kill me. I know. You're thinking free, you're thinking that's crazy. But it's not. It's really not. It's two reasons in particular. I'm gonna tell you why you should be doing free work. Now, first of all, let me preface this by saying that don't do a lot of free work. You're not gonna do a lot of it, but you're gonna do some because it's gonna make sense. All right, so in the beginning when you're starting off, right, you're not gonna have too many clients because why would I pay you for something I never seen you do before? You know, that's like you saying like, hey, I can get you $1 million. Just give me 500. And I'm like, you live in your mama house. How you gonna give me $1 million? You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna pay for a service that has no proof that this service actually works, right? So in the beginning, this is why you're gonna do some free work, because you're gonna need to not only get your foot in the door, but you're gonna need to have people believe that you can do this work, and you're gonna have to show other people that you've done work for somebody. Now, you may be able to get a couple clients here and there, friends, family, that's like, all right, do me something for $50. You know what I'm saying? Make me a logo for $50. And you're like, all right, but that's not, friends and family don't count in graphic design. It doesn't count in the freelance world. People want to know companies that you work for, and people want to know how you help these companies and stuff like that. So friends and family really don't work unless your friends and family are really those people. Like, they really like, my friend owns a business and the business is doing well, or my cousin is such and such CEO at, you know, head of the marketing department. You know, that's the only time like friends and family is really beneficial. But for the most part, friends and family are just trying to help you out. They're trying to support you, and your work will never really see the light of day, you know, with friends and family. So what you're gonna do is, in the beginning, you're gonna go to these small stores around your area. You're gonna go talk to some people, and you're gonna say, hey, looks like you need some graphic design. Like, I can make a logo for you, for your company, free of charge. You know, I just would like to put it up, and if you put it up, I would like to, you know, take some pictures of it and put it in my portfolio. Or, hey, it seems to me that you all have sales all the time, but I can assist in marketing from the design standpoint. You know, I can put together a sales paper or a brochure or a flyer for you, and I don't need any money for it. I just want to, you know, be able to put this in my portfolio, take some pictures of real life, and maybe even get you to leave me a review or something like that. So these are the reasons why you're doing free work. It's free, quote unquote, but it's really not free because you're getting something in return. It's not monetary though. That's where the free comes in at. Everything doesn't have to be monetary. So doing free work really is like a favor for a favor, you know? You get experience, especially in the beginning. In the beginning, you get experience, you get portfolio assets, you get client, customer, communication, these type of intangibles that you can't get by just sitting at home practicing. I know I say practice a lot, but customer interaction and client interaction is something that you cannot get except through experience. Working with some of these clients can be a nightmare. And you would never have guessed it until you go through it. So that's number one. That's the first reason why you would work for free in the beginning. Now, after you've been established for a minute, you can still do some free work, because guess what? There are companies that are bigger than you. For example, Right now, if I was able to do a sales ad for like Best Buy for free, I would like to charge them, sure, but my hustler mentality says if I do this sales ad for free, guess what? They're gonna love it. And now what? They're gonna come back to me for more work. And then I'm gonna be able to charge them, get hired by them, or get on a monthly type subscription plan with them, you know? So as a established graphic designer, doing free work is all about leverage. Like, how can I leverage this into something bigger? And depending on the ask, like, I would do a sales ad for somebody for a Best Buy or a Target or something like that, but I wouldn't do a logo for them because this logo is gonna last forever, right? And I know this logo actually costs $10,000, $20,000. So I wouldn't do a logo, but I would do something short term to make them come back that I know that they have to come back. And I can also put this on my resume. I could put this in my portfolio like, hey, you should hire me now, Nike, because I just did this for Target. I just did this for Best Buy. I just did this for Kohl's. I just did this, for one of these big companies. So now one of these other big companies should hire me because I worked for a big company already. So leveraging your freeness, leveraging your freeness is one of the main reasons why you should do free work as an established designer. So those are the two reasons why I believe that you should do free work. Other than those two reasons, there's really no way that I could see me doing free work as an established graphic designer. Maybe in the beginning I might have did the fool a couple of times. You know what I'm saying? Somebody be like, hey, I heard you do graphic design, can you do this for me? And I'm like, yeah. You'd be happy to do it, but you just have a reason why you do things for free. If you're gonna do it for free, have a reason, have a goal in mind, have some type of significant trade-off in mind, the intangibles, like I said, and you do just fine, man. I mean, leverage your work. At the end of the day, that's the message. You do something for the free 99, make sure you're getting something out of it too. That's the topic for today. Kept it short for y'all. Hope y'all got some insight. Hit the likes, hit the subscribe. Hit them. Bow, hit them. Hit the likes, hit the subscribe. Comment. I am V. Play Vision Designs, man. See y'all later. Peace.